tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the future with the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung has done it again. With the Galaxy S25 Ultra, they're pushing the boundaries of innovation. But what makes this phone so special? Let's find out. Mark your calendars. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to hit the shelves in January 2025. Early leaks and renders have already given us a sneak peek, and it's looking incredible. The S25 Ultra boasts a sleek, rounded design with the smallest bezels we've ever seen on a smartphone. It's lighter than its predecessor, making it more comfortable to hold. And that 6.8-inch display, absolutely stunning. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra is rumored to pack a punch with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor and up to 6 GB of RAM 1. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming, this phone can handle it all. Photography lovers rejoice. The S25 Ultra is expected to feature a revolutionary camera setup with improved low-light performance and AI enhancements. Your photos and videos will look better than ever. With a larger battery and faster charging capability, S25 Ultra ensures you stay powered up throughout the day. No more worrying about running out of juice. So, are you as excited as we are for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell for more tech updates. Stay tuned for our in-depth review once the phone is officially released. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.